Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead, and it's going to be a hot week. In fact, eventually we get a bit hotter. More on that in a second. You can see we do have that hazy sunshine mixed in with the clouds across the Arklatex today as the Saharan dust continues to increase across the region. Let's go ahead and take a look at the latest outlook from Futurecast on the Saharan dust. You can see it has increased a bit, and as we move forward in time, we will see it continue to hang around the Arklatex until we get to the end of the week and the weekend. There's going to be an upper level disturbance that'll kind of clean things out just a bit. That disturbance will also bring us our next chance for some rain. Here's a look at the upper level pattern, and you can see the upper level ridge, which is now to the west of the Arklatex. This ridge is going to eventually move back towards the west. It's now to the northeast of us, and as it moves back, there's going to be a disturbance which is going to be moving along the bottom side of its circulation. That disturbance will bring us our next chance for some rain as we look ahead to Friday and maybe Saturday. Again, here's the upper level pattern. You can see the upper level ridge off to our north and east over Kentucky and Tennessee. Eventually, it's going to slide its way back towards the west and bring us that chance of rain. So let's take a look at Robbins Toyota Futurecast here, and you can see that tonight, looking at a mostly clear sky for the most part. Tomorrow, could see some low clouds in the morning, similar to what we experienced this morning, but other than that, plenty of sunshine across the area for tomorrow, and it will be hazy sunshine again. And then going through tomorrow night, we'll see a clear sky for most of the night. We could see a few clouds late, and then Thursday, lots of sunshine once again across the Arklatex. Notice the scattered showers and thunderstorms popping up, especially to the east of us. That's that disturbance that I mentioned. So let's take a look at the longer range version of Futurecast, taking us into Thursday night and Friday. And you can see the area of rain, which could develop as we head into Friday morning over the southeastern sections of the Arklatex. That will gradually spread more towards the west, and you can clearly see that the rainfall chances Friday will be highest over the southern sections of the area, and that will hold true for Saturday as well. But if you get some rain, more than likely it will not be very much. As Futurecast here taking us into the weekend, showing rainfall totals probably will be less than 1/4 of an inch, and most of us will see less than 1/10 of an inch, as dry continues to be the main theme in our weather pattern. Looking ahead to the next 10 days, that ridge is going to continue to play a big role in our weather. You can see that westward movement that I mentioned by the time we get to Friday afternoon. Here's the center of the ridge over northern Arkansas. Here's that disturbance, which will give us the shot for the rain Friday night, maybe Saturday. And then that ridge is going to settle right over us here in the lower Mississippi Valley by the time we get into the first half of next week. And that is when temperatures actually will begin to heat up even more, as that ridge just kind of sits here over us during the middle and last half of next week. It's looking more promising that we could see some triple-digit heat as a result, as all the disturbances get sent around the top and bottom of the ridge and avoid the Arklatex, meaning we will stay hot and we will stay dry. So your forecast looks like this for tonight. Expect a mostly clear sky. Could see a few low clouds late tonight as temperatures will fall into the middle 70s, looking at 76 in Texarkana, 76 as well in Shreveport. Tomorrow, looking at a partly cloudy sky. It'll be hot and hazy once again. Daytime highs back up into the middle 90s, 97 in Shreveport, 96 in Natchitoches, 95 degrees in Texarkana, 95 also for the high temperature tomorrow in Marshall. And you can see that we will stay in the mid to upper 90s probably into and through the weekend, although temperatures will begin to ease up some late in the, or warm up some, I should say, late in the weekend with triple-digit heat, a possibility all next week. We could see temperatures close to 100. Overnight lows during the 10-day period will likely stay in the mid to upper 70s. Not only does the heat continues to continue, it likely will intensify, especially as we go into next week, with only a chance of rain as we look ahead to Friday and maybe Saturday.